So if we talk when we introduce ourselves, because we always first say my name, right? So from now on, use this way. It's easy and short. You don't need to say my name is because sometimes you miss is. Also, you need to learn the new word name, how to say, right? Yeah, so use this one. And then tell where from, remember 人. And then tell your job or your friend, whatever. We also learn 朋友, right? Yes, 朋友. Like, for example, say, you are my friend. How to say? Yeah, if one 是你是我的朋友 if plural, yes, yes, 你们是我的朋友 yes, yes. Okay, very good. So, remember, follow this, because future we will learn question word like what, where, how, why, who. We will follow the same. So before we finish, I teach you a few useful words. Maybe some of you know already, because then next time we can use more. Okay, one word. Because now we learn friend, we learn teacher, we learn student. So if you are married, then how to say she is my wife, he is my husband. If you have girlfriend, boyfriend, how to say she's my girlfriend, he's my boyfriend, right? Or they are my children. So these things, okay? So wife. Okay. For wife, for husband, we have many words. I just teach you the simple one and the very common one. You immediately remember. Okay, wife, very easy. 太太. Yeah, repeat. 太太. Yes, like a Titanic. Okay, 太太. Okay, easy. Maybe you also can hear people say 老婆, yes. So I think 太太 is easy, right? Yes. No need to think too much, okay? Okay, now husband. Husband also have many names. Now I teach you one. 100% sure you will remember forever. So one, the husband name called 丈夫. How to remember? Sounds like junk food. Yes. so sounds like English junk food. So like husband is junk food. Sorry. Very good. Yeah, 丈夫. Remember, right? Yes. So husband, 丈夫. And people also say 老公. Yes. Yes. Yes, it's right. 老婆, 老公. Which one easy for you remember you use? See, I'm right? You will remember forever. Yes. Yes. Okay. So 太太, 丈夫, yes. Okay, now children. Yeah, 孩子. 孩子. This one, you remember this one, the pronunciation is yes, thank you. Yes, 字, 孩子. Now, girlfriend, boyfriend. How to say friend? Yes, 朋友, right? Okay, 朋友. So girlfriend, boyfriend, you just add female, male. Okay, female, how to say? Ta-da! Must have two dots, okay? Yeah, 女朋友. 女 means female. Okay, this one must have 2 dots. That's why 是 this one. 与 so the 女 yeah 女朋友 yes. How to remember? That's 拼音 important 女 is 2 dots. You think like lady have 2 this the hair maybe put on the head. Okay? 女朋友 Okay. 女 okay? So boyfriend 男朋友男 the pronunciation exactly the same like 南山 we are in 南山 right? 南山 district the same pronunciation okay? Of course different character help you to remember 男朋友 easy right? Okay, one more time. Let's read together. 太太，老婆，丈夫，老公，孩子。Yes. Yes, 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 yes. 女朋友，女男朋友。Okay, now. Tell me how to say wife, husband, children, girlfriend, 女朋友 boyfriend. Yes. Very good. So now in the class, remember all these words. You can practice use these words, right? So let's make a little bit homework, please. So homework, use this from here have 24 words, right? 24 we learned already. And here, new one. If you married, then you use 太太、丈夫、孩子. If you not, you can use 女朋友、男朋友. Next class, I will teach you how to say I'm single. That's why next class, if you don't come, you will miss important part, okay? So, you use this word and use the grammar ma or this one to make a dialogue because it's more fun, okay? Make a dialogue like A, B, or you and your friend, for example. Say, 你是老师吗？我不是老师。你要咖啡吗？我不要。你要不要咖啡？ Okay, to use that. Fine? Yes. And the next class, we will learn 4 tones. Very important. So far we didn't learn. Next class we will learn 4 tones. Yes, and continue with the new grammar. Okay? Yes, very good. We need to take another picture because